Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I want to show you something. I'm going to relist this in the book, in my Etsy, because I changed it, because that's what I do. The one that I put in there, I wasn't very happy with the cover. This is actually the same journal. It's about dolls and pictures and things in there. And I wanted to change the cover, so I did. And I think it looks a lot better. I didn't like the cover that I put on there. I did it in a hurry, and I should not do that. And then I put this little closure on there so you can open it, and it looks like this inside. And I will show you again, because for those of you that can't find it or have lost where it went to, this is my journal that I made, that I put doll things in, or things about dolls or whatever. So I've got a pocket there and a pocket here and another pocket there, like this. And it goes, I don't know, maybe that, yeah, it'll go down behind there. So you can put something in here. Am I showing this on there? I'll put it in the right way. In there and down the bottom here, this one. And then you can also write your name in there if you want to. Now I've got a little, this little card in here that I've just nearly bent it. That was lucky. And this tuck spot, put some stamping on, and I've got lace around the edges. And I've got this here, one, there, and there's my bunny. I love that bunny. And it's a belly band. Now I've got about 2 or 3 other journals that I'm working on, but I need to start to get them up and done, don't I? I need to stop, see if I can get some more done. It's really hard though to be aware that it's warm and be really comfortable enough to work. That's a nice one that I found in the library. I actually got them to photocopy it that for me, so. And then there's this dear little thing, isn't that? Little dolly dingle, and there's a packet there, like that bag. Still have that bag. I just lost the other ones because I wrecked them. But anyway, and they have these little tags in here with a doll on it, and I got out of a doll magazine, and I just put that onto some wallpaper. And this is a Alice in Wonderland. You can cut out the pictures if you wanted to. I just use that for a tag thing. There's journaling space. These are 2 that I put in there just because I like them. This is a tuck thing here and a tuck thing here and a tuck thing there. And I've made that one. And there's nothing in this pot. Maybe you can tuck something in there if you just want to tuck something in there. And there's these little ones I cut out. These are just cut out on the paper and put down in these pockets. Look at that, isn't it sweet? I do love them, yes. Then there's this one here with the stickers on that I put on that. There's a bag here, and inside the bag you have a doll, and she's got her dress and that down in there. So that's really pretty. I like that one. I don't think that's a flip. I think it's just a decoration. Okay. And this is one of those pockets or page things that I made. And this is just for the look of this, I think. I don't think that's got it. Oh yeah, it might be a band. There might be a belly band in that, I don't know. Could be. You'd put something underneath it if you wanted to. And there's a little girl thing that I made by putting different pieces together, and I made this skirt, and it took a little minute for me to do that. I don't know if you can tuck anything under. You probably could if you wanted to. Then I've got this page here, and this comes off here. Does this open out? Yes, it does. There we go. It's been a while. Didn't remember. I have to bring myself back into these things by revisiting them. And I think this book is absolutely beautiful. And then I've got one of those pages like that. And then I've got the inside part, which is concertina bit that I've got folds out. And these little people here are just on the cardboard, and you can just use them, however you want to, whatever you want to do with that. So there's journaling spots, one of those little double-sided people things, and there's that opens there like that, and then that's got a little paper clip on it with a little heart. This one here is that one, and it's a cute little picture out of a book that I must have the other side on the other side. I didn't see it, but anyway, I must go and have a look for that anyway. Where is that? What have I got it connected to? Well, you'd hope I'd have it connected to something, wouldn't you? Sonya, where is it? Near the purple piece. Oh dear, I can't find the purple piece. Where's the purple piece? It's in there somehow, righto. I might be stuck down separate. Sometimes I do that. If I want a different colour, I can put another page on. There's a bit of it there, the purple one. Right. And over there. That's not it. That's not it. Oh, it's there somewhere. It's connected to something. I'm sure it is. Yes, the page that goes above that. We've got to stop fiddling around here. So, but I'd like to know where it comes out at, the other side here. Just for curiosity's sake. On top of it. Where are we now? I think I've worked it out. No, I haven't. Bag. Oh well, I got it in there somehow, didn't I? Maybe I can't see it because it's way down there. I don't know. Anyway, there's that, and you can journal on there. Then there's a pocket down in here, and there's a little wardrobe. I had fun making that. That looked really cool, I thought. And then it's got little clothes in it. And it gives places for you to journal in there. There's a postcard, really old one. It's not copied or anything. This is a 1930s pattern, it says, but I don't know how old that actually is, but that's what it says on there. And there's a little dress, and that goes both sides. One flip one side, and this is the other side for a flip. And this is a little dolly in that one. My eyes itching me. This is a flip up little book. You can take that out or leave it in there. It's for writing in. I've got it in there with that belly band thing. There's another blank page. It's a nice little, what's the name? Strawberry shortcake. And there's another thing that I made out of my bits and pieces. And there's a piece of me washi tape that I made. And here's another one of those things that tucks over the top to hold things in, you know, like you can put things under it or just use it for anything, move it anywhere you like. And then there's a pocket there. And I really love that picture, so I wanted to put that picture in there. And there's got a dress form in there. You can write on that if you wanted to and decorate it if you like. This one here's got a few bits in. There's an envelope, and there's a circus doll thing. And then there is this one here, and it's got another couple of bits in it. It's really nice. There's a fabric flip, and here in the back of it, here is Fancy Nancy, and that's sitting in there in that pocket in the back with those things on it. So that is what the journal is like now. Before, the cover was not nice, I didn't think. I will probably leave the same photos up there except for the front one, because, you know, that's what's in it. And then it's got this flower dangle that I made by using a rose, and then I put my beads on it, and I just tied it in that hole there for decoration. I'll just tighten that up a tiny bit. So, and then of course the cover's got this really nice tatting on it, and some really nice lace, and a cotton lace, and there's more there. And then over the front here I've put this actually curtain gauze lace there, and that picture, and this picture is sealed with nail polish. It is sealed with nail polish, and it worked really, really well, and I was really pleased with that, because I thought, now I've fixed it all up, now what am I going to do? I don't want to leave it so it's just, you know, so it's all, I've put clear nail polish over the top of it, and that sealed it, so it's not going to, hopefully won't tear real easy or break or whatever, you know. So I think I really, really love that now, how I fixed that up, because sometimes when you do some things you're not really happy with them. I'm not, I'm very, and every time I looked at the cover of that, I just didn't like it. But now I do, and that's good, isn't it? So thank you everybody for watching, and if you want to go over to my Etsy and have a look at it. There was there. I do not have any other things in them at the moment. I intend to put up more, I hope. It's just that I have been too busy, and I should not say when I'm going to do things because I cannot always commit myself, and I shouldn't do that, and I'm sorry about that. I hope you will forgive me, and I hope this will watch my channel and comment more, like the comments. Do love to read the comments, but it does take your time, I suppose, and if you've got lots of people to watch, you haven't got time to be writing down all the time, I guess. But anyway, it's nice to see that people are watching my channel still. It is. I don't know why I feel like that, because I know that you're there, but sometimes you just feel like, I don't know, I wonder if people are still interested in what I do. But anyway, because I've gone to this now, instead of doing a lot of sewing and other sort of craft things, but one day it'll all change for me, because you go in spurts and things of different things you want to do, not like, you know, you have a really interest in what I do. Over the years I've changed from so many different things. I've gone through and done a bit of everything sort of thing that I've really been interested in, and you work on it, but then you learn yourself how to do it, and you just keep going, and then something else might, you know, come into the world, and then you think, oh, I'll have a go at that. That sounds good, and you do that. And as you go on, you learn a lot. But with the journaling, I find that I can put a lot of what I did before into these. You can put a bit of sewing in, and you can use your ribbon and your lace and all that sort of thing. See, so to me, it's really intriguing that you know, to do these. So thank you everybody for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.